When I addressed a joint session of Congress about our jobs crisis, I said I intend to do everything in my power right now to act on behalf of the American people with or without Congress. We can't wait for Congress to do its job. So where they won't act, I will. In recent weeks, we've been taking a series of executive actions. We couldn't just wait for Congress to fix No Child Left Behind. We went ahead and decided, let's give states the flexibility they need to meet higher standards for our kids and improve our schools. We said we can't wait for Congress to help small businesses. We're going to go ahead and say to the federal government, pay small businesses faster if they're contractors so they've got more money and they can start hiring more people. We said we're not going to wait for Congress to fix what's going on in our healthcare system. We eliminated regulations that will save hospitals and patients billions of dollars. And we announced a new initiative to make it easier for veterans to get jobs, putting their skills to work in hospitals and community centers. We announced a new policy that will help families whose home values have fallen to refinance their mortgages and to save up to thousands of dollars a year. I directed my administration to send me a new national tourism strategy focused on creating jobs. And some of America's most successful business leaders have signed up to help. All these steps aren't going to take the place of the needed action that Congress has to get going on. But these executive actions we're taking can make a difference. Steps that can save you money and make government more efficient and responsive and help heal this economy. And I've told my administration, we're going to look every single day to figure out what we can do without Congress. What can we do without it? I've got an obligation to act on behalf of the American people. And I'm not going to stand by while a minority in the Senate puts party ideology ahead of the people that we were elected to serve. Not with so much at stake, not at this make or break moment for middle class Americans. We're not going to let that happen.